Presley Records. So here we are, we got to Maleny Botanical Gardens and Bird Roll. So today I'm going to show you some nice wild birds. So here you've got souvenirs. Yeah. Look at all this souvenir shop. Look at that. Look at all the birds in here. Hello. Hello. What are you eating? Where are you? Hello. 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 Hey. Hello. 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 Can I pet you? No, that's okay. We won't pet you. Hello. Hello. Oh, aren't you a cutie? Can I pet you? Oh, sorry, I didn't mean to scare you. Can I pet you? Oh, you're beautiful. And here's this one. Hello. What are you eating? Hello. And who's in here, Raina? Oh my God, it is Peter.
Lucy.
Oh, sorry. We used to have a Peter. Hello.
You wanted to rip me apart.
Hello. Can you pat them, Raina? Can you pat this one? Can you pat him, darling?
No, I tried that. He wants to eat me alive.
So how gorgeous is this place? I get everyone, you should come and check this place out. So we're heading off to the aviaries now. So, hey Raina, we're heading to the aviaries.
Are we?
Yes. See you soon. So we're heading off to our lookout that one of the guys that works here has actually told us. So, just around here, and look at that view. Whoa. Now that is some view. Wow. Look at that, Raina. Look at that view. Awesome.
Just like nice and still.
Oopsie. Yep.
Right? Mike, you can
I didn't realize
No, that's alright.
I didn't see you coming.
No, that's fine.
There we go.
Careful,
I didn't
open.
see you coming. So here we are at the paradise. So we're going on the aviary tour now. So we're in the aviary tour, which you can see all the birds. There's some there. Pretty cool. Now look at them all. Pretty. Look at them. Raina, is he going up to you? That's pretty cool. Oh, Raina. Yep, someone's got me. So this was eating my partner's shoe.
Hey, they eat my toes.
He's eating his toes. Look at his shoes. That's it.
Alrighty guys, so here are the birds in this aviary are from the cockatoo family.
Hello.
So quite a few of these are our red-tailed black cockatoos, our galahs. These guys are actually Latino galahs, so they've lost the pigment in their wings, so they're white instead of black.
Do you like Raina's toes?
Our long-billed corellas. We also have our short-billed
Oh, they're going for it.
We also have our normal galahs in here.
Oh, that's so awesome. Hello, taking a selfie. Yeah, yeah. Woo, there you go, there's on my phone. Okay. Oh, so this is the bird sanctuary. How awesome.
Yeah, that's a cool looking dude.
Hello. God, he looks like he's the
He looks
king.
bad, eh? He looks like a naughty boy. Look at his fingers.
He looks naughty. Oh my God, what was that? Oh, it's
He's eating
him.
my thumbs again.
No, he bit me. Oh, are you back to eating the thongs again? Bite his toe. Bite your toe. Raina, take your toe out. Babe, take your toe out. Just one toe. One toe. one toe. Hello. You look naughty. Yes, you do. You look naughty. My mum used to have a cockatoo for nearly 30 years, but somehow he passed away. Nearly 35 years my mum had him, Peter, and he just passed away one day in the cage. Don't know what happened. Yeah, like...
Sometimes it's just unexpected.
Hello.
There you go.
Hello. Peekaboo. There he is. Is it cool, Raina?
Yeah.
Hello, boy.
He's still eating my thumbs, isn't he?
Awesome. Hello. You gonna have some food? You gonna have some food? Hey, you gonna have some food? Yeah. You eat away. You eat away. Good boy. You'll probably fly away with it, Raina. Let it go. I dare you to. You'll fly away with it, eh? You need to probably fly away
Just
with it.
like give me the other one.
That's okay. Don't move. Remember, you can scare them.
Hop on here.
Nah. He wants your shoe, babe. Well, this one obviously loves your thong. Hello. Oh, shivers. Hello.
So look.
Ready, shimmy. Don't.
You know.
Hello.
Hop on.
Hello.
Hello.
Hello. What are you digging in that hole? Eh? What are you digging in the hole?
Hello. Hello. Hello.
Oh, someone's biting my shoe. Raina, we've got a friend. Hello. Raina, your friend's back.
Oh, there's another left.
Hello.
Hello. Hop on.
Do you want to jump up?
Up here.
Come on. You can jump up.
Hello.
Oh.
Hello.
Oh, Raina's kissing you. Oh my
Hello.
God. Raina.
Hello.
Oh.
How are you? How are you? Do you want him to hop on you?
Oh. Raina
Hello.
kissing.
Yes.
Raina kissing.
Here.
Oh.
On the head.
You're so friendly.
Hey?
He wants to talk to you, Raina. He wants to talk to you.
We gotta go now. Bye bye. We gotta go. Hello.
Get
Bye
down,
bye.
get down.
Hello.
Off the chill.
Kiss.
Okay, go down a bit. Kneel down with him. Yeah, like that. Yeah, like that.
What's your name? What's your name? What's your name? Hello. Ow! Don't eat my nose. Bye bye.
Oh, he likes you.
Look at your claws. Oh, this finger. Hello. Bye bye. Goodbye.
Hello.
Goodbye.
Hello. You gonna say hello? Yeah? You gonna say hello?
Hello.
Can you say hello?
Hello.
What's your name? What's your name? Hello, Cocky. That's what my birdie used to say. Hello, Cocky.
Hello, Cocky.
Can you say Peter? Oh, you're so cute. Oh, do you want to hop on?
Hello, Cocky.
Do you want to hop on?
You want a cookie?
No, he said hello, Cocky.
Hello, Cocky.
Do you want to hop on his shoulder? He doesn't bite. Maybe you do.
Hello, Cocky. Hello.
Oh, crap.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Touch him again. Touch him, babe. It's okay.
Want a cookie?
Babe, touch his beak. Your bald patch.
Oh. Don't put it on. He's like, there's no fucking hair there. What do you want me to do? You want a cookie? You're down.
Hey, Raina, does this bird like you? Oh, he's flying away.
Yeah, peacock.
Where? Look at that peacock. How beautiful is he? Hello? Look at that, Raina. How gorgeous is it? Hello?
That might be the one.
Hello? Are you cranky? Hey? Are you cranky? Ow!
He said hello. Hello.
Hi. Hello. Hello.
I've had enough of people, I want some peace and quiet. Oh yeah, oh.
Hello. 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 Hi. Hello. Where are you going? Where are you going? Where are you going? Oh, look at. Hello. 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 What are you eating? What are you eating? What are you eating? Oh, yummy. Yummy. Hello. Is that his name? Diego? Oh, yeah. Hello. What's his name? What's this one's name? Do you know?
I'm not sure. Let's try and get Diego.
Oh, yeah.
For the moment. There is a lady requesting her.
Oh, yes.
No, I'll do that again.
Please.
Please.
I missed it. I missed it. It's alright, do it. It's one time opportunity, do it.
I'm not doing that again.
One more time.
You do it, I'll take it. Please don't bite me.
He's nice. Put your hand out on this one.
No, he's 80. He's 80.
Do you want to go to Raina?
Oh, look at that. He's been still. He's been still. You up on my arm? Hey? Yeah, no.
Yeah. Do it.
Yeah.
Put your hand out, babe. Hello.
Put your hand out.
I'm the one that's taping. Hello. Hey. Hello. Hello. Huh? Yeah, I'm not touching the food. Hello. Yummy? Yeah? Yummy. Oh, he's licking it. Oh, he's licking all the stuff from the food. Oh, that's cute. Yummy, hey. What about you? What about you? Are you still eating? Are you? Are you still eating it? Oh, hello. Oh, look at ya. Is that yummy? See you later. Bye. Oh, he's sleeping. Oh, he's sleeping. Oh, hello. You're awake. Hey. Hello. Oh, that's giving a massage.
Stand up straight.
I'm trying. So here we are on the boat. Oh, now Captain Boat. Captain Boat. This is our captain. Say hello. Oh, what's down here?
The toilet.
Oh, is this where people used to go down to the toilet? Oh. Oh, Raina. Look. I'm the captain. Yee, baby. This is downstairs on the boat. Awesome. So obviously this is a real boat. Nice. So we're slowly heading back. Slowly going back now. It's really beautiful here. I recommend coming. And so this is the map, if anyone ever comes. So this is the map, and I think it's like an 18-kilometer walk all around. So he's my partner. We're chilling now. He's having a sleep in the garden like always. I'm having my large cappuccino and my double caramel magnum, sitting by this beautiful view. Love it. Look at it. Peaceful. Nothing but nature. It's the way to go. Coco stole Raina's ice cream. Coco. Coco. She must love the taste. Bye, Coco.